your appointment bookings. I mean, people would be calling due to COVID. Calls might have, at least double or triple for sure, that I'm sure about. So you can reach out to your hospitals and pitch at least two modules out of what Hamza told. So look at your customer base and relate to what exactly you can pitch out of the overall, the packages that we are referring to.
Thank you. Is there anyone have question? Someone has a question? No?
No, please proceed.
Okay. Let me to share the presentation again. Okay. Then we have finished the call billing, the click to call, the callback manager, the SMS connector, the customer survey, the social media, and the chatbot, and we have finished how many? Let me see here. Yes, we have go through the call billing, the the SMS, the customer survey, 3, the chatbot, the call manager, the social media, the CRM connector, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have finished 7 applications. What I want to say here, I want to say we have explained for you the 7 applications which is related to the increase the agent productivity, increase the employee and agent performance, increase the customer satisfaction, solve the first call or enhance the first call resolution, make more ROI, and increase the customer services. All of these applications, all of them, there is a benefits for the customer, okay, in terms of money, in terms of customer satisfaction, in terms of productivity, in terms of performance, in terms of everything, okay. But these last 2 applications, which the case management and the appointment system, these applications only for the customers who is looking for a new CRM, mini CRM, or for new appointment system. But today, most of the customer, they already have case management, they already have ticketing system, they already have appointment system. Then these 2 applications will not be addresses to these customers. Only we can address these two applications to the customers who is looking for a new ticketing system he doesn't have, for new appointment system he doesn't have, okay. Then the case management, you can call this case management, you can call it a mini CRM, or you can call it a ticketing system. It is like a mini CRM. It is not like full-fledged of CRM. It does not include HR system, collection, financial system. It's just customer database. You can build your customer database, name, email, addresses, history, notes about the customer. And this application will allow you to create new tickets, to escalate the tickets, to connect these tickets with the specific department, to trace the tickets, to get reports about the tickets, about the customer information, plus Bob screen. Then this is like a mini CRM plus ticketing plus reporting. That's it. You can call it mini CRM, ticketing system, and reporting. It comes with built-in Bob screen in case there is a telephony system like IBO Office or Aura. If the customer call, Bob screen will come to show the agent all the details from the case management related to his informations and tickets. It include the case reason, call notes. It's include the escalation of tickets, tracing the tickets, tracking ticket creation, and it's include to send notification by email or by SMS for escalation, for processing. So it can be also integrated with third-party database. For example, sometimes the customer will buy the case management from us, but he wants all these details about the tickets to be synchronized with his database, with his, for example, hospital system, with his company system, with his ARB. It's open to be integrated. The case managements come with full reporting system about every customer, about every tickets, about the escalation, about the history of the customer, and easy to integrate. Okay, then we can use this as a front and back office for the agent, for the new customers, because today customer has a contact center telephony system without any kind of ticketing and case management and small mini CRM. Then that will make a lot of problems for the customers, for the agent, in terms of human mistakes, in terms of knowing the customer, in terms of customer will repeat himself every time when he call. But by using this case management, no need the customer to repeat himself, to introduce himself, because the agent know by the pub screen who's that customer calling, and he knows the history of his calls, the history of his tickets. He are able to open for him a new ticket, to track where is the tickets, to escalate that tickets. It's a full ticketing system with many CRM. It will allow the agent to know his customers. Okay, and it will enhance the customer service, and it's flexible solutions with mini CRM. Okay, and we can integrate this case management ticketing system with Avaya IP Office or with Aura. We need a small server, and if we need to integrate this case management with the customer database, we need to know more details about the CRM or about the database of customer and the API and web services. Yes, there is a lot of questions and requirement we have to gather, because we are building a new CRM. So we need to ask the customer about all the details about the fields, how to build the customer database, what kind of informations you would like to store in this mini CRM, what kind of tickets you would like to open, how many departments you would like, if he has many branches, how many of branches, how many of escalations, the time of escalations, the emails related to every department, if he would like to connect that, to integrate that CRM to database, what kind of, or CRM, what kind of CRM, what kind of database, what kind of SQL or MySQL, what kind of programming he has in his database. So many things. If he would like pub screen to open when the call come, what kind of information in that pub screen we should show in front of the agent, what kind of informations we should the agent can edit, and when the agent open a new ticket, what kind of fields he should fill, and what kind of department, and what kind of informations he should fill before submit that ticket, or open that ticket, or track that ticket. Okay. The pricing for the case management, it's depend per user. We have one server license, we have user license, which should be depend on number of users. We should ask the customer how many number of users for the mini CRM, for the case management. Then we should put the number of users plus support plus project management. You go ahead, and this is your quotation. If you need our support in terms of discount, just give us the case, why budgeting issue or computation issue, and we are happy to help you for that. Let's to go for case management demo. Case management demo. It's here he will explain everything for you about this the case management. After that, for example, if the customer is calling, the pop screen will come to the agent. He will answer the call. All the details of that customer from the case management, it will open in front of the agent in the same interface of SCCI. he can edit, he can add a note, he can open a new ticket, he can look to the history, he can see the dashboard of that case management, he can see the reporting, he can do escalation, even SMS template, knowledge base, tickets, survey. All of these include in the case management call resolution master, login, reporting, survey report, tickets, knowledge base, and SMS templates. This is a live demo to go through the case management. You can share this file with any customer, or you can go to the customer, do the presentation, and open this file in front of the customer and try to discuss with him all the questionnaire, all the answers. For the case management, the questionnaire is very important. The another application is related to the appointment. Today, some of the customer, they already has the appointment system, but some of them, they will ask you, do you have an appointment? I don't have appointment. Yes, we have an appointment system. We can sell this appointment system to the healthcare, to the hospitals, to the education institution, because due to the COVID-19 coronavirus, today most of the organizations or institutions or hospitals or healthcare, today they are not allowing you to come to walk to them. You have to to book an appointment. Even the personal care today, if you would like to go to do stuff for yourself, you have to do appointment. Then we can go to this kind of customers and start talking about our appointment schedule, about the features. By this application, the agent or the company, they can create or reschedule a new appointment, and this appointment depend on the department, depend on the timing, and this appointment confirmation will go to the customer by email or by SMS, and there is a reminder for this appointment before the appointment date by 1 day. If we integrate between the appointment and SMS, or if we integrate the appointment with email, that SMS will go to the customer as a confirmation and as a reminder or reschedule for the appointment. Even we can integrate between the appointment system and any customer system. For example, like a hospital, we can sell to the hospital the appointment system, and we integrate with his hospital CRM. So all the details of the appointments which created by our appointment system, it will be integrated and synchronized and stored in the hospital CRM. So all the hospital department, all the company or the hospital, for example, staff, they will know about that appointment and they will prepare for that appointment. Doctor, reception, emergency, all the stuff of the hospital, because this kind of appointments already synchronized with hospital. Okay. Then we are talking about the appointment which can be integrated with our contact center with full reports. It can be integrated with hospital information system. It can be built in mini ticketing tool. We can build that with the mini CRM as a one system. We can also integrate the appointment with social media. Like as said, we can make our chatbot to do the appointment automatically, and this information will be synchronized with the appointment system. That means we can integrate between the social media and the appointment system, or we can, as well as we can send this kind of appointment confirmation by SMS and email. It's web interface, and we can do screen pop. So next time when the customer call, pop screen will come to the agent with all details of the appointment, so the agent will know if that caller has an appointment or not, or he wants to reschedule the appointments. Then here we are enhancement the customer satisfaction. We are increasing the revenue. We are reducing the errors, because without appointments, a lot of errors. So I have appointment, no, we forget, because there is no records for the appointments, a lot of errors will be happen. But by this system, we can reduce the errors of appointments. Also, we can reach to the efficient team communication, integrate with a system database, and staff schedule, remind employees with all the tasks. Okay, also it is cost effective. When I say cost effective, I didn't mean that cost effective it's the cost of this appointment. No, without appointment, for example, if we have a hospital or a small hospital with the doctors, and if we don't have an appointment system, and some patient call and they have an appointment, and after that we, by the human mistake, or we didn't send them the confirmation, we didn't send them the SMS reminder, maybe they will miss this appointment. Then we have a lot of investment on doctors on the building, but still the patients not come to on the time. There is a lot of conflict between the timing that will make so many interruption. That means we have to increase our staff. But with appointment system, everything is scheduled with a reminder, with confirmation. That means the patient know what time, the doctor know what time. We can utilize the time of doctor. We can know when the patient come or not come. We can send him reminder to confirm or to cancel. If he cancel, that means we can use that time for another patient. That what I mean by the cost effective. But if the customer not getting reminder, that means the doctor will wait for that patient not show. That means we are wasting the doctor time, and we are wasting the money, the salary for that doctor. That's, we are not doing cost reduce. Okay, that's the benefits of appointment system. Okay, the technical specification, yes, we can use the appointment with iBoffice or with Aura. We need small server to do that. Okay, and we can integrate this appointment system with customer database, hospital database, customer email, and SMS gateway. Okay, we should also gather the requirements from the customer about what kind of department you have. If you have a lot of clinics, how many clinics are these clinics connecting to the main system? What kind of appointments do you want to synchronize this detail with customer CRM? What kind of CRM? It's logical questions we have to ask. Just open the requirement gathering and look at the scope of work. And the pricing, we have in the appointment, we have a user price, we have a server license, and we have a user license. We should ask the customer how many number of users, so we will multiply that user license by the number of users for the appointment, plus the professional services is 20% from the total. There is no price here for the professional services, but for now add 20% for the professional services after select number of users. Okay. Finally, or still before final, all these applications, as I said, we can integrate them with Avaya Contact Center Select interface, the desktop interface, or we can integrate all these applications with Avaya Contact Center Select Workspace, or we can integrate all these applications with Aura, or we can integrate them independently, everyone alone, or we can collect them, put them on the portal. The name of that portal is Customer Engagement Portal. As you see on the left side, we have the customer, which the CRM, we have the ticketing system, appointment, callback, survey, SMS. We can put all these applications under one web portal. Even the receiving calls, we can make the agent receiving calls by the same web portal, the pub screen, creating tickets, everything, click to call, everything on the same portal. We can sell this portal. The name of this portal is Customer Engagement Portal, in case the customer need all this in under one interface, all some of them under one interface. So in the future, today he can start build the customer engagement portal with 2 or 3 applications, but tomorrow, after tomorrow, every month or every quarter or every year, he can add another application until he get all the package from Avaya. Okay. Last thing is related to the fleet management application. Fleet management application, it's the application which where we can sell this application. It's mobile application from Avaya, built in-house by Avaya. This application can be used for point of sale. It can be used for restaurant. It can be used for supermarket, for pharmacy. So by this application, the customer can check the product, can see the pricing. He can buy something, or for example, for hospital, by this application, the customer can book an emergency ambulance car, or by this application, the school, the parents of the school, the parents in the school, they can track the bus of the school, because this application, it's a commercial application, it's a point of sale application, it's tracking, bus tracking application. For hospital, the patient can track the ambulance car. The hospital, once the ambulance car pick up the patient, the hospital can track the ambulance car until reach to the hospital. So it's tracking application. It's even by that, by the same application, we can make calls, audio call, video call, and chat. It's point of sale application, it's tracking application, it's communication application, and it can be customized as per the customer needs. But at the end, it is like a point of sale application, it's tracking application, it's booking application. We can sell this for any taxi company, for any like Uber experience, for tracking, for book taxi, even as well. On top of that, to do communication between the customer and the taxi driver, between the customer and the company, the help desk. It can be audio call, video call, or chatting. This application we can start, also go to the customer. I'll send them. If you go to the customer and the customer already has application, we can still also integrate that application with our telephony system. If he would like to use the same application for communication, for tracking, we can build our communication features, audio call, video call, chatting, tracking on built in on his application. We can do that. Then we have the two options. Okay. Then if you see at the end of the presentation, you can see I have demo tools for everyone. For example, for social media, if you click on these buttons, it will open for you a live demo on the cloud. If you click on that button, it will open for you the product overview. We have for every module demo plus product overview file. Social media, SMS, CRM, survey, call billing, callback assist, case management, appointment, customer engagement, Houdini for hospitals, and fleet management, and bus tracking. Then what we are talking today, we are talking about the flexible deployment, which can be on cloud or on premise. It's hybrid solutions, all in one communication, starting from telephony, unified communication, contact center, mobility, collaboration, integration, social media, all in one. When we go to the customer and explain and present for him all this as an all-in-one package, even if the customer only need telephony system, but if the customer listen to you, that's the power of Avaya. That's the power of our product. That will make the customer to rethink about the other brands, even if the price is different. But the customer will say, no, I am ready with Avaya for the future. Okay, today I'm going only with telephony, but I am ready. They have a full and a full solution for everything from A to Z. Even the cost saving applications, we have a lot of cost saving applications, as I told you, starting from soft phone, billing software, callback assist. All our applications will do the cost saving. Okay, we have a complete mobility solutions. We have out of the box application integration. We are not only delivering only box, we can do any out of the box integration, as I discussed for you, as well as we have a distinctive customer contact centers, voice, email, chat, SMS, social media. We have the full fledged of contact center, and as well as peace of mind. Today, with our applications, you are a master customer. You are only dealing with one brand, only dealing with one vendor, only dealing with one partner. That's will give you a peace of mind of in terms of high reliable and secure and support and threats and everything. Okay, security, support, one brand, one vendor, and ready for the future and ready for expanding. And the last thing is the scalability. Today you can start with 5 users, reach up to 3,000 users. Start with one location, reach up to 150 locations. Start with one application, reach up to 10, 20 applications. Do one kind of integration. In the future, you have the full scalability in terms of users, in terms of applications, in terms of integrations. This is our key. This is our powerful. You have to go and explain for customer all these kind of powerful points. You have to focus on all these points, so the customer will not think about the pricing only. In that case, he will think about the features, about these points. You have to feed these points in your presentation, so the customer, when you come at the end, say these points, it will be relevant. But when you say these points at the beginning, the customer will say, "Oh, that's some marketing." But come to the end, put this slide at the end, talk about flexible deployment, all-in-one cost-saving, complete mobility solution, out of the box, contact center, base of mind, scalability. Yes, I already explained for you all these points as a solutions, as a products, as a applications. And at the end, today, after this session, I think you are ready to go present our solution, talk about the product, explain, collect the requirement. You have the questionnaire, you have the scope of work, you have the pricing, you have the demo. Go and ahead and sell, please. And as well as present, as well as come back to us in case you need more customization, in case you need support on discount, in case some of your customer need a live demo from Avaya team to discuss more details about that. Thank you very much.
Sure, Hamza. Thank you very much. I'm sure it was quite informative, and there was a lot new that we have introduced to our partners. And I'm sure some stage very soon we will meet each other along with partner with specific use cases. So that's what we're going to look at. Okay, we're going to have more focused with opportunity based these calls post this particular session. In case, I think we are on the time now. We need to close. So before that, there is one more question on the chat window. If you can address that, then after we will close this. We can close the call.
There is no any for the question related to the case management. There is no any limitation at this time because, as we said, we have case management to be work with IBOFS. That means up to 3,000 users, with Aura up to thousands of users. Yes, okay, but that will be not for case management. I think yeah. There is no customer will come to our mini case management for thousands of users. Sure, that customer will go for full-fledged of CRM like Microsoft CRM, like ERB. As I said, we have a mini CRM. We are not like Microsoft. We are building this for customer who's looking for mini CRM. Okay. Regarding the call billing, can we get the report for Hunt Group? Yes. Call billing, it can be used for the cost reporting, or it can be for normal reporting without cost. You can use that. It's called call billing reports, and it's called as a call reporting. You can use it for any kind of report per groups, report per company, reports per user, per cost, as you like.
All right. Thanks, Hamza. Then I will have an introduction along with Elias with partners, and we'll come back with the feedback and certain opportunities, and we'll take it from there. Thank you very
Okay.
much for your time.
Stop the recording before
Yeah,
hang up.
we will.
Okay. Thank you, everyone, and thank you for your time.